My name is Brian Bronson, and I run Capgemini Engineering for the Americas and Asia Pacific.
Satish Iyer. I run emerging services supporting cloud and telecom for Dell Technologies. As I look at cloud services and telecom services, when I see the trends, I see that the telecom market is looking at the various advantages cloud brings to the broader IT ecosystem. And there has been a tremendous adoption of cloud-like, cloud-scale technologies into telecom. Whether that means, we talked about disaggregation of telecom ecosystem. It's about picking the best in class from every layer of the stack and leveraging whoever is best in class and having somebody to integrate and stitch it all together. To me, that's the biggest change ever. And a lot of these things are happening because now the industry is catching up to us, what's working by cloud services in the IT world, right? And to me, this multi-cloud ecosystem or multi-cloud technologies are now kind of coming into telecom. And that's a massive shift and a massive change. And I think that's a great opportunity for companies like Dell and Capgemini.
Well, for us, we've been watching and waiting years for us to be in a position to commercially deploy this products, the decomposed products, the recomposed products. It started with wireline. Now we're moving to wireless. Things like Open RAN, et cetera, are here now, and our customers are receptive to look at it, not just look at it, but potentially buy it commercially. The time is now because the ecosystem wants it. Our customers want it. I'm careful to say that they need it, but if you think about cost pressures, op expense, cap expense, the need to fully embrace and implement 5G, the ability to slice data, the ability to onboard IoT devices, the ability to leverage and actually commercially deploy autonomous driving. The list is endless, and they need to do that in a decomposed, recomposed way, leveraging best-in-class building blocks. So the time is now. We're committed to making sure that we bring the best-in-class assets and software and capabilities to this system integrated solution. Sometimes it'll be on the edge. Sometimes it's on the manufacturing floor. Sometimes it's actually in a CSP network. We know the players in this space. It's a broad ecosystem with a bunch of current and potential customers and partners, and we're here to help facilitate that for the market.
Dell's focus, our focus on telecom primarily has been Dell Technologies infrastructure blocks or multi-cloud foundation. It's basically an integrated hardware, software, automation stack for customers to run any workload. So now where the synergies come is that's basically an opportunity for customers to take cloud scale solution sets and run specific workloads, whether it's RAN workloads, whether it's core workloads or anything else they want. And now when you look at this, like we talked about, disaggregation means customers want the best in class and they want somebody to bring it all together, right?
I've been in the industry long enough where we've seen the fits and starts, that we had good concepts. The network elements weren't quite ready for commercial production. We weren't talking about edge use cases and really deployable edge. That time again is now. And so it's incumbent upon us in the industry and our partnership to bring those commercially viable products to life now. And I'm excited about that. This is what makes me the most excited. It's the main reason why I joined Capgemini, quite frankly. And so I'm happy to hear that we're actually working together and partnering together to make this to bring this to life again.